Hey guys, Bentley here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video, we are going to be doing that lavender spring look that I had on in the vlog a couple weeks ago, or a week ago. I think it was just a week ago, but I don't know when this will go up, so it may be a couple weeks. Anyways, we're gonna do that lavender eye, so let's get started. I'm going to start by putting my Essence eye base on. Anyways, this is my I Love Color eye base from Essence. And I love it, as you guys probably already know. It just does such a good job and it's such a good price. I'm going to take this fluffy brush and I'm going to use this in my JACLYN Hill palette. I'm going to use this color right there. I don't know what it is. It's just the lightest tan color. And I'm just going to give this a little transition go here. Now we're going to go in with the lavender multi-stick, and I'm just going to put it on the lid. And then I'm going to take this dense brush. Itch. This is my Sigma E55, and I'm just going to pull this, move it around and pull it up a little bit. I'm going to take my Milani. This is, I don't know what this is. This is the Milani Beaming Light. And it is a Hypnotic Lights holographic eye topper. And this one is, the color is Beaming Light. This is what we want, right? Beaming Light. So, and it has a little doe foot on it, and I am just going to put it right in the center. Now I'm going to take that same brush I used for the purple to pull it around, and I'm just going to kind of pat this down. Try and get it off my lash. Now I'm going to let that dry for just a few seconds before I line it, and in the meantime we're going to do our eyebrows while we let that sparkly stuff dry. And I'm going to be using the Naked 2 Basics palette for my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the color Primal. It's the second one. This is also why I don't usually do my eyebrows on camera, because I don't talk. I mean, what's there to say? How I do it? I just follow the lashes. I mean the brows. Try to make the line at the top as straight as I can, the line at the bottom, and then just fill them in. I try to make my tail longer than it really is because I don't think it's long enough. You're supposed to measure like this. the edge of your nose, the edge of your eye, and that's how far it goes. And see, mine don't go that far. Is that better? That's better. So now you know, which I don't do that often enough, because when I'm watching the video to edit it, I'm like, you didn't make your eyebrow go far enough. What can I say? But that's what I do. And I'm usually in a hurry. Are you guys always in a hurry when you put your makeup on? Because I swear I am always in a hurry. And I don't know why. I only have a million things to do. And never enough time to get them all done. So they must not be important, because if I didn't get them done and I'm still good, I probably didn't need to do them anyways, right? It's usually things like the dishes or the bathrooms or vacuuming. Or those are the things that I decide, I don't have time for that. But eventually I have to do them, because haven't found the little fairy yet to come in and do them for me. I would like to find that fairy. I would be best friends with that fairy. Because housework has never been my thing. I don't know if it's anybody's thing though. You know, I always say that it's like, oh, that's not my thing. I'd rather get a job and make enough money to pay somebody else to do that stuff. But if you're wondering, this is not the one. This is not the job that would make enough money to pay somebody to clean my house. Eventually though, right? It's gonna work out. I would like that. I do love what I do though. I mean, to me, doing this, making videos of makeup, it's fun. I like doing it. The hardest part is figuring out what to do. I have a list right now because I'm going to California. So I've made all these videos that just what I'm going to do in them and bought the products. Oh my gosh, it's so much easier. I usually just don't have, either I don't have the money to buy all the products ahead of time, or there's just not that many new products. And I'm not that organized usually. I'm definitely not that organized, but I'd like to be. This one's probably going to be a long video too. You know, I talk like this in all the videos, but then when I go to edit them, they're so long that I cut out all my chit chat because I have to leave in the makeup part. Okay, I'm going to put Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel on. Because I love talking to you guys. I mean, sometimes the stuff I say is just dumb. And that's another reason it gets cut out. Because when I watch it, I'm like, why did you say that? That was dumb. They don't care about that. So I cut it out. The magic of editing. Okay, so now, next, we are going to put some of this purple right here, sparkly purple, in the outer corner, the outer V, just to darken it up a bit. Because as you can see, the purple, it's there, but it's not dark enough. So we're just going to fix that real quick. Okay, now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just blend the two a little bit. Just like that. And then we're going to go in and push line. And I'm going to push line with brown. To push line, you just put your little finger on the center of your eye and push, and your eyelash will curl up a bit, And then you just draw down into between your lashes. And try not to go too far down onto the waterline, because then it will transfer. And then I take a flat brush like this. Oops. There. Flat brush. And go back and forth and spread out that gel that you just put between your lashes. Stay close to the lash though. You don't want to take off all your pretty eyeshadow. And I kind of pull up on it too. So it comes up through the lashes. Now we're going to go in with my rollerball liner and put on a winged liner. And this is the brown one, because I'm using brown. Let's do lipstick. And then I'm going to go off camera and do my lashes. I'm going to line my lips with this is Rimmel, and frankly I think it's the best one. This is Rimmel and the color is East End Snob. And that's what I'm going to line my lips with. And I'm just going to color them all the way in. And then I'm going to put this one on top of them. Because I think more is more, right? I'm going to put, this is the Vinyl Vow from CoverGirl. And this is the color Kiss Kiss. And then I'm going to put a little bit of glow on them. This is the Becca Chrissy Teigen collab. Something icing or frosting. No, I think it's icing. Anyway, I'll look. I don't know what color this one is either, because it came in a little pack. Oh wait, maybe it says Becca Distribution Lip Icing Glow Gloss Creme Brulee. It does have a color, Creme Brulee. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera and do my lashes, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Lashes are done. All I did was curl them and put on some Laura Geller Lash Boss mascara. So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!